Ever wondered why some people continue to believe in their MLM business, even when all evidence points to the fact that all newbies entering their company are not progressing? To understand this, we need to delve into the human psyche. The concept of cognitive dissonance, developed by psychologist Leon Festinger, provides a fascinating insight. Festinger studied a cult led by Dorothy Martin in the 50s. Martin claimed to receive messages from spacemen promising to save a select few humans from a biblical flood. Despite repeated failures of her predictions, Martin's followers remained steadfast in their belief, refusing to accept evidence that contradicted their faith. This phenomenon isn't just limited to cult followers. It's surprisingly common in the world of multi-level marketing, or MLM. Many MLM believers continue to hold on to their belief in that their company will eventually provide them success if they just stay involved, even when faced with clear evidence that the market doesn't want their products. They cling to outdated strategies, refuse to acknowledge a changing landscape, and ignore the rise of other more timely network marketing companies. Just like Martin's followers, MLM believers who are with the wrong companies at the wrong time in history often double down on their beliefs when confronted with evidence proving otherwise. Once a thriving business model, most consumable product MLM companies have lost their charm with the rise of other income-generating opportunities. The once successful MLM business model is now struggling to stay relevant. Competition from Amazon for similar products and the vast expanse of the internet has made a significant impact, diminishing the ability to create customers for consumable products. In this rapidly evolving world, adaptability is key. Yet, there are network marketing leaders who refuse to change, clinging to outdated companies. It's like trying to catch a speeding train while riding on a bicycle. These leaders are delusional, unable to recognize the shifting landscape around them. The allure of consumable product MLM companies is fading, and it's not just because of the competition. The rise of new wealth creation opportunities is also a contributing factor. Cryptocurrency, for instance, is one such opportunity that's been making waves. With its potential for high returns, it's no surprise that it's attracting attention. In the face of all these changes, 90% of MLM companies are losing their appeal. The once enticing promise of MLM just doesn't hold the same allure in the face of these exciting, dynamic alternatives. The rise of cryptocurrency and other wealth creation opportunities further diminishes the appeal of many MLM companies. Cognitive dissonance is not just a psychological theory, it's a phenomenon that's very much prevalent in the world of MLM. Now imagine this. You're an MLM participant, convinced that your company's opportunity is foolproof, yet you're not seeing the growth you anticipated. This creates a conflict, a contradiction in beliefs, and you find yourself in a state of cognitive dissonance. This peculiar condition has distributors hanging around on autoship, like the followers of Dorothy Martin waiting for spaceships. These cult followers maintain their beliefs despite repeated failures. This is not unlike many MLM participants who, even when faced with evidence that their business model is failing because the competition for consumable products is too great to penetrate, yet they choose to cling tenaciously to their beliefs, justifying failures and inconsistencies. They may attribute their lack of success to market saturation, or perhaps they'll convince themselves they simply need to work harder. This is cognitive dissonance at work, the brain's attempt to reconcile conflicting beliefs, often leading to irrational justifications. MLM believers, like Dorothy Martin's followers, often find ways to rationalize their failures, allowing them to maintain their beliefs despite contrary evidence. It is much easier to just pivot and find the right network marketing opportunity at the right time in history, with proven leadership who are building a thriving team. Cognitive dissonance is a powerful and fascinating concept that can help us understand the perplexing behavior of distributors who simply believe in the wrong companies. This psychological theory, first developed by Leon Festinger, unravels the reasons why some individuals remain staunch in their beliefs, even in the face of contrasting evidence. The truth is, real network marketing leaders pivot. They understand for explosive growth to happen, you must be with the right company and the right team at the right time in history. All network marketing opportunities are not created equal, and timing is often an overlooked but very important factor for success. There are some network marketing opportunities that are operating outside the traditional consumable products niche that are experiencing rapid growth. Collect Direct is one of those companies, and you can learn more by visiting the website 100ksidegig.com if you would like to start to understand the difference between marketing products people want versus those that must be sold. Change is the only constant, they say. And in a world that's rapidly evolving, it's crucial to remain flexible, to adapt, and to reassess our beliefs in light of new information. Those who fail to recognize the changing tides, who stick with saturated products and stubborn beliefs, risk being left behind. For more information on the concept of cognitive dissonance, visit www.mlmsuccess.com/flexible-mlm-belief. The link is in the description below.